Welcome you underground with open arms. You door abused. I let you roam around carefree. They're not your enemy. All this time, determination served as your lone guide. Mercy or yours to decide, but consequences they increase. You will answer to me. I exist outside. So tell me, is there love? 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 Is there love in your heart? Kindness in your eyes. Execute if you want. Retribution for your crimes. Listen to yourself, 'cause I know when I take a look inside. Judgment will be consider twice before being unkind, or you will end up having a bad time. A bad time. A bad time. A bad time. No, the joke will be on you. I exist outside it, even if just won't erase. I do my but numbers don't lie. I do my but numbers don't lie. I do my but numbers don't lie. I can see your real face. Is there love? Is there love? Is there love in your heart? Or kindness in your eyes? Execute, execute, execute if you want. Retribution for your crimes. Were you honest with yourself? 'Cause I know when I take a look inside. Is there love? Is there love? Is there love in your heart? Then judgment will be mine.
So I've got a question for you. Do you think even the worst person can change? That everyone can be a good person if they just try?